guys, this is how we detail in the winter time. Hey guys, this is John. With Winston Detailing. We're actually doing the refresh today. I'm doing the whole thing. Right now, I'm shampooing the leather seats by applying the degreaser using a light brush. And now I'm just drying it with a green towel. We'll put the leather conditioning to help protect the seats from wear and tear and spills. Winter, when we're applying leather conditioning, it definitely helps the seats from cracking, and then also protects from like wear, tear, and spills. The goal to keeping yourself warm when you're detailing in the winter will definitely be wearing a lot of layers to protect yourself. You can go just to make sure you protect your skin from the cold, because you will get cold quick. The other thing is you can also turn on the vehicle's heat just to avoid the product that you use to freeze on the surface of the vehicle. So that's also another good trick to make sure it's works well in your favor as well. It's to keep warm too. So yeah, that's the best way. Yeah, so this is the water bucket heater to help warm up the water during the winter so it doesn't freeze your hands. Keep it all real warmed up, just gotta let it warm up and then the water